Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is CJ Brand. Today we are back once again with a brand new tech review for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about the all-new Rayban Meta Glasses display. Now these glasses right here is something that's going to be crazy. I really think it's going to be game-changing as well for anybody that actually has like the first generation, or if you guys are picking up the second generation of the Meta glasses that we already have now. These displays is going to take this to a whole nother level, man. Like straight up, bro. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Now with the all-new Rayban Meta displays, we do get two different colorways. We do go ahead and get a sand color and then also a black. And I ain't gonna lie to you, bro, I'm fine with both of these colors. Honestly, I really like the black one as well, just because, you know, everything that I wear is pretty much black. I ain't gonna say pretty much, it is black. Everything around me is black, you know. But I really do mess with the new black glasses that's coming from these Metas. And this is because like they're not like a chromatic this time. It's like a straight matte black, even though a Meta logo on there is black as well. Also on top of that, I do like the fact that we do get the transition lenses on these shades as well. So therefore, you know, these are going to be a universal pair of glasses, and they're going to be pretty much adapting to like our scenery and everything. I personally like that as well, because I currently have the graphite ones right now, and it's like, you know, it's just dark. They're legit shades, and I prefer to wear my glasses pretty much almost every day, all day, doing whatever type of weather conditions, but I can't do it with the ones I currently have. Even though I could go buy me a different pair, and I probably should have bought the transition lenses when I first bought them, but you know, I was kind of being cheap. Yeah, we're gonna move on from that, man. Now these glasses also do come with an upgraded microphone system as well. In the previous generation we did get like 5 microphones. This one we do get one additional one, which is gonna be 6 of them, but we also still do go ahead and get the open ear speakers as well. So therefore you're going to be able to hear Meta, you know, talk to you in your ear. You're going to be able to hear your YouTube videos, your music you're playing, or whatever else you just need to hear around you. You'd be able to definitely hear that with the open ear speakers as well. I actually like that as well. I'm happy they kept that same exact feature and design inside the headphones. I'm not sure if they could have done anything else, but then again, it's Meta. They have a lot of, you know, different technologies that we have not seen so far, and I just wouldn't be surprised if they did something crazy. Now one thing I do not like about the actual new Ray-Ban displays is that the camera system is still the same that we still have in the other ones, and maybe it's just because it's like a design flaw. Maybe, you know, if they do decide to upgrade the camera, you know, they would have to make a bigger lens or a bigger pair of glasses or whatever. But I mean, hey, 12 megapixels I guess is fine, you know, as long as you're shooting in some good light. I think that you'd be able to produce good quality videos. I have not had an opportunity yet to like shoot like something real good, and it could really just be the limitation to like the megapixels that we do have. You know, coming in at 12 megapixels, that's really not, it's not all that, man. I just really wish they would drop something like a 24. I mean, me personally, I would love to have like a 48 to 50, but I can, you know, I can do something with a 24, but 12, it's like that ain't cutting it for me. Gee, I ain't gonna lie to you. But also on top of that, with that 12 megapixel camera we do have, it does also come with a 3x zoom, and that is actually a brand new feature that we have never seen inside of Meta glasses before at all. So knowing that the displays is coming with that, I love that fact as well. And I guess I forgot to mention one other thing as well. You know, I forgot these are called the Rayban Meta displays. You guys may have wondered, like, what is the display portion? I haven't said anything display wise, but basically inside the glass as well. So on the right lens, you're gonna get one display screen, and I think that's about like I think they said it was like a 600 by 600p resolution that you are gonna be able to see only in your right eye. Unfortunately, I kind of wish there was like one of those AR type of you know, displays that we would be able to get where we can see everything around us. But I guess it's kind of like stepping into like that VR system set or whatever. So I still get it. I understand the limitations. I just want more, you know, especially for the price point of these glasses. But then again, I mean, with them being sleek, coming in 2 different colorways, and then also on top of that, you know, they're like, I'm not going to call them incognito, but they basically is almost in a certain way, just because, you know, they look like the normal everyday shades, especially when it comes down to having Ray-Bans as well. Now the battery life on these glasses, well, I mean, they're pretty decent as well. I have the first generation Meta glasses, the wafer ones, and those right there have up to like 4 hours of battery life. Coming over to the displays, we do get up to 6 hours of battery life, but if you do actually have the charger case with you on a daily basis, you can go to charge it up several different times and at least get up to 30 hours of battery usage, you know, per each charge and everything. So that's pretty beneficial, I will say. Now these are a couple of things that I do mess with as well, with us having like the display system in. I'm going to look at my notes for this one just because I want to make sure this is 100% right. So in the Meta glasses, we do get a feature in there which is like Meta AI with visual response. So basically, now, you know, at first we used to be like, hey Meta, what am I looking at? Hey Meta, you know, what can I cook? You know, we're just hearing everything. But now instead, once you actually say, hey Meta, you can actually go ahead and get a visual response from them instead. So like, hey Meta, show me a a box with a question mark on it. You know, Meta will show you on that right lens on that display system, like here go a box with a question mark on it. Here go, you know, whatever else you're trying to look up. I really think that's pretty phenomenal as well. You know, just to have that type of feature in it, it'll be very beneficial to anybody, you know, especially like, you know, you can be on the go just trying to look up anything. You just don't know for real. Now, also on top of that, we are also going to be able to start sending messages through our glasses as well. This is straight dope. Like instead of us having to talk, we get to go ahead and voice this stuff, or either just use our hands to go ahead and do whatever we need to do. And the way that we're going to be able to use this feature by using our hands is going to be using an all new Meta neural band. That neural band pretty much captures our muscle movement and just pretty much, you know, helps you out doing what you got to do inside the shades. So when it comes down to using the messaging features, you can go and use Apple messages, Google, or Android messages, I should say. You can go and use WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure they're going to be opening up more applications for messaging, you know, in the future days for sure. You also do get real-time captions as well. This is a common thing that we were seeing around like phone brands. Apple just went ahead and dropped their live captions. Google did the same exact thing. Samsung already did it as well. But now inside the glass, you know, especially when you have them on, you're just in front of somebody, them talking. Let's just say there's a loud environment going on, like say for like a club or, you know, even at a restaurant. Pretty much you're going to be able to hear whoever's in front of you talking. You're actually going to see live captions on the screen as well for you. I think that's pretty cool. I can't wait to just go ahead and get my hands on these shades, because I think this is like taken to a different step, honestly. Like the first ones came out, those was perfect for point of view content, but now it's like we have point of view content, but also on top of that we have a ton of different new features in here as well that's going to, you know, just make us feel like that, you know, these glasses are more than just, you know, AI inside talking to us and point of view content shooting for the glasses. And then the last feature I do want to talk to you guys about is going to be the two-way video calling feature. Basically what Meta said is you don't need your phone to use the shades at all whatsoever. If you're going to be joining like a FaceTime, a Teams call, a Meta Messenger call, I said Meta Messenger, a Messenger FaceTime call, or whatever you want to do, you're actually going to be able to see the other person on that end without using your phone. So, you know, if I'm calling one of you guys, I get to see your face and everything, and then you guys will still be able to see my point of view content that I'm actually showing you guys. I think that's going to be straight good as well, because let's say, for instance, you know, me, I got a kid, so, you know, if I'm at the store, like, hey, you know, I may want to buy my kid a shirt, but I don't know if I like it, but I want to see if everybody else like it, you know, type stuff. I want to FaceTime somebody and show them like, hey, do you like this? And I get to see that real genuine reaction just like that, man. So, but yeah, I think those are pretty cool when it comes down to the Rayban Meta glasses, the display versions, I should say. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Would you guys go pick up these Rayban displays? We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.